Hello, and welcome to this breathing meditation for creativity, in which I will guide you to unleash your potential and manifest brilliance through unstoppable action. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit, stand, or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Lengthen your spine, and as you breathe out, relax your shoulders and upper back. Focus your attention on your breath. Take a few deep breaths in and out, feeling each inhale and exhale traveling in and out of your body and rejuvenating your being. As you breathe, imagine that you're breathing in pure, fresh, orange light. This light represents creativity and inspiration. Hold your breath in your lungs for a few moments, imagining the light filling your entire body. Then slowly exhale, imagining you are breathing out any negativity, stress, or blocks preventing you from assessing your creativity. Repeat this process of inhaling orange light and exhaling negativity, stagnant energies, and blockages. Unleash your infinite potential and think about something creative you can do after this session. Manifest this creativity in your external reality and do something creative today. When you feel calm and centered, please take a deep breath. Hold it for a few moments, and then exhale. Come back to your normal breathing and become aware of the surface which supports your body. Slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to reflect on how you feel and note any new ideas or insights that may have arisen during the meditation. Be patient with yourself and try to incorporate this breathing meditation into your daily routine to have the best results. Be well.